I'm sitting here with Tai Nguyen, and the name of your company is
Tax Help Office,
Tax Help Office, and we're located at
114 North 4th Street, San Jose, California, 95112.
yep. And I thought that it was appropriate at this point to introduce Tai on my channel because I used him last year and I was very happy with him. He did good work, charged me very reasonable prices, and I am back in his office again today and asked him if he would be okay with me doing an interview because he's somebody that I would like to get out to the world on my channel. And I think I can speak very confidently about him and the work that he does, and I want him to tell a little bit about himself. So how long have you been here?
The next tax season will be my third tax season doing business here. However, the business was open in August of 2022. That's when I actually have a physical location.
Mm-hmm.
So, all in all, I would say next August will be my third year here in the space.
And what do you do exactly?
So, I'm an enrolled agent here. What I do is help clients do tax preparation, audits representation, and also to fix their past tax issues. For example, my one of my most recent clients, I helped him save around $10,000 in taxes because his previous preparer forgot to put in his non-resident spouse. As a result, he was paying more taxes than he should be. And after he came to me doing some amendments after, with 3 years tax return, I was able to get him back his money and save him a lot of money in his 2023 return.
And I understand that you come from a family that with a background in doing this line of work.
Yes, so my mom has been doing this for more than 10 years now. In fact, she started doing it in 2010, I would say. I learned this from her 5 years before I opened up this office. And during those 5 years, I learned the skills of how to deal with customers, how to approach customers in a manner that they will understand their tax issues. Also, I learned how to manage time to get all clients' tax return done on time.
Um, what other types? You mentioned a couple, but for example, what are the types of services that someone could come in and ask you for?
So it varies from client to client. Like right now, it's in October. We're hitting October soon, and people that come in at this time usually want me to help with past tax issues that they have, or those that are running against the deadline of October 15, 2024. But other than that, I do offer audit services, in which I really like to do because that's something I've learned in school while I was getting my master's in math. And I find that doing research, digging up data and presenting the correct data is what I like to do more. As a result, I want to gear this office towards auditing more than anything.
Where did you go to school?
I got my bachelor at UC Santa Cruz, my master's of science in math at um, the University of Memphis in Tennessee, and in 2022, I got my enrolled agent license through the IRS.
Interesting. Interesting. So, what kinds of charges? Very broadly, but what do you give me an idea of what you would charge for different kinds of services?
It varies from company to company. Um, in recent times, I noticed that my pricing here is the cheapest in downtown San Jose. And however, I provide the top quality service here in the region. If you were to search up my company, Tax Help Office, on Google Map, I would guarantee that this office being the highest rated office in the area. Pricing wise, I'm looking to change as the time goes by because I believe that high quality deserve good compensation. Yeah.
Okay, so your office is called, they can find you at Tax Help Office, and we have your address. And what is your email? Not your email, but your website address.
Currently, we don't have a website that's up to date right now. Because this office is a one man show, so I'm barely surviving with just being myself, controlling the ins and out of this office and the day to day that needs to be handled.
So if somebody wanted to get a hold of you to have you do their taxes for them, how would they reach you?
They can call or text me at 408-772-8981.
That's Tax Help Office at 408 772
8981.
8981. 408 772 8981. And if they wanted to reach you by email?
They can email me at taxhelpoffice@yahoo.com.
Okay. And speaking for myself now, obviously I run this channel, and I can honestly say that I've dealt with this man. I had him do my taxes for me. He was very fair with me, charged me very reasonable prices, and I'm going to be coming back to him to have my taxes done again this year. So I thought that it was appropriate to put him on my channel under the circumstances, because I think that he's a man who knows what he's doing. He does good quality work, and he's very reasonable, very fair. So I wanted to introduce him to everybody that comes to my channel. Thank you.
Thank you.